Alright, tonight I'm going to show you how to make potato and leek soup. So this is what you'll need. As much onion as you like. I just did half of a small onion. I have 2 leeks, and I have a video that I will link in the bottom if you need to know how to cut, rinse, and you'll need as many potatoes as you like. So I don't know how many I got here. I would say a large bowl. You'll need some evaporated milk or regular milk. You'll need some vegetable broth or chicken stock or any type of one you want. And then some butter. And what I'm going to do first is I'm going to add some butter to my pan, and I'm going to saute the onions and the leeks. Alright, so first I want to add my onions. I'll let them go just for a few minutes, and then I'll add the leeks. Now we're going to add our leeks. And I'm just going to saute these for about 5 minutes or so. And I'm going to add some salt and pepper. Alright, so we're just a couple minutes in, and I decided I'm going to add some garlic. 2 baby spoons. And once everything looks, semi-translucent, when onions look cooked. Sorry, the lighting isn't that great, but they're just a little bit cooked. So now I'm going to add my potatoes and my chicken stock, and I am using the red skin potatoes, and I only took a little bit of them off, a little bit of the skin off. I didn't leave it all on. Alright, add the evaporated milk. Ooh. And the vegetable broth. You're just going to turn this up to a boil just for a few minutes, and then you'll just cut it down to like a medium heat and just let it go until the potatoes are tender. Alright, so now I'm going to make a roux so I can make my potato soup thicker. So I just saved some of the vegetable broth. And you do have to do this in cold water, or cold. You see, there you go. Like a cold liquid. So I just put the rest of it in there. It doesn't matter how much. And I'm going to do like 2 or 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Okay, maybe 2 heaping. You're just going to stir this up. It's going to become milky. Once you see all the lumps have dissolved, then you can just pour it in, and it will thicken your potato soup. I like mine like a stew, kind of. But if you like yours more soupy, some people just grind up some of their potato soup, like with the potatoes, and it makes it thicker, but we like ours whole. Alright, so now I'm just going to add that so there's no lumps. Now if you do this in hot liquid, which I have done before because I forgot, it will stay lumpy. So always do it in cold.
Where's dog?
Alright, so here's our potato soup. I did add some butter, so excuse the butter floating around. But it's been about 45 minutes, and the potatoes are nice and soft. So now I'm just going to serve it up, and we're going to top it with all of our toppings.
Ah!
I'm the scared no.
No.
Never cool.
Yes.
Dan R.
And some cheese. Some bacon.
Is that mine?
And some green onions.
Oh.
My bowl, my bowl, my bowl.